morning everyone. Welcome back to class. So last class you have learned about air occupies space. How you will know that air occupies space? When you will blow a balloon. Yes, you take one balloon and you will blow it. What you will see that balloon is blowing up. It is growing up. Yes, from your mouth you will blow. It will grow. It will blow it. It will grow bigger. No. For that you will know that air is occupying the space. So that is over. Today you will know about that air carries sound. Air carries sound. So what happened? You can hear, students, you can hear that your mother or your friend speaking to you and speaking to you. Yes, what you can see that you can hear your mother call you. Yes, when your mother is calling you by your name. So you can see that your mother, you can hear that, you can hear your mother call you or your friend is speaking to you. Because why it is, how it is happened? Because when sound is created, it vibrates. Now I am speaking, when sound is created, what happened? It vibrates. The molecules of the air, in air molecules are there. So what happened? The molecules of the air and the sound reaches to your ears. It reaches to your ears and sound cannot travel in vacuum. It reaches to your ears so you can hear that. Someone is calling you or someone is speaking to you. And sound cannot travel in vacuum. Sound cannot travel in vacuum. Understood? So, what you have seen here that the air carries sound. You can hear that your mother is calling you by your name when you are in your home. If your mother needs something or your mother wanted to talk with you, they call you. Yes, when they call you, what you see? You can see. No, you can hear that thing. Yes, when your mother call you, you can hear that thing. When your friends speak to you, you can hear with your ear. You can hear that thing. So this is carried by the ear. Ear carries sound. So because why it happens? Because when sound is created, it vibrates. When sound created, what happens? It vibrates, okay. And when it vibrates, the molecule of the air, in air molecules are there. In molecules, the molecule of the air and the sound reaches to your ear. Molecule of the ear and the sound reaches to your ears. Yes, this is the ears, it reaches to your ears, then only you can able to hear the sound. Now sound cannot be travel in vacuum. Sound cannot be travel in vacuum. So it is clear to you all that air carries sound. Okay, it is clear, air carries sound. How you will know that air carries sound? So at home, when your mother calls you, what happened? You hear with your ear or your friend, you are talking among your friend. Okay, you are talking with your friends. If your friends is saying, speaking something or saying to you something, you can hear with your ear. Yes, or your teacher, if your teacher say you something, you can hear with your ear. Yes, so all this thing you can hear with your ear. So how it's happened? ear carries sound. All this happened due to the ear carry the sound. This thing happened because when sound is created, when we create a sound, when sound is created, it vibrates. Now I am creating the sound. What happens? You can see that it vibrates. Yes, it vibrates. When it vibrates, the molecules of the ear, and the sound. In ear, molecules are there. The molecules of the ear and the sound reaches to your ear. Yes, it reaches to your ears. So you can hear the sound of your teacher or your friend or your mother. If anyone is speaking to you, anyone is calling to you. Okay, it is clear to you all? And sound cannot travel in vacuum. This sound, it cannot travel in vacuum. Okay, student? So what you have seen now, last class you have seen that ear occupies space. How? By take one balloon and you blow the balloon. When you blow the balloon, what you will see that it gets enlarged, becoming big, enlarged. This shows you that ear occupies space. Ear occupies space. And today what you have learned that ear carries sound. What you have learned? Ear carries sound. Okay? It is clear to you all that ear carries sound. How you will know that ear carries sound? So when you play, your friends call you. When you play outside, when you are at home, your mother calls you. Yes, when you talk with your friends. Yes. So when they speak, you can hear that thing. Now when I am telling to you all, you are hearing all this thing. Yes, you are hearing. You are hearing with your what? Ear. Yes. Because why? How it's happened? Because when sound is created, we are creating the sound. And when this sound is created, it vibrates. What happened? It vibrates. Okay? It vibrates and the molecules of the ear, in ear molecules are there. The molecules of the ear, what happened? Molecules of ear and the sound reaches to your ear. It reaches to your ear, okay? And with that only you can hear the sound. And this sound cannot travel in vacuum. Students, this sound cannot travel in vacuum. So it is clear to you all that ear carries sound. So two things you have learned. Ear occupies space and ear carry sound. Okay, next class I will teach you other topic. Okay, thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Okay, student.